I started watching a motivational video and realized how important it is to work hard. From that day, I decided not to waste time and focus on my goals. The next day, there was a seminar in college about professional exams. That was the moment I knew I needed to figure out my purpose in life. I sat down, listed my options, and decided to study for a professional course.
All you need to be productive is to find a purpose. Set a goal that scares and excites you. Watch motivational videos. I recommend channels like Motivation to Study. Read books that keep you motivated. Use apps like Alarmy to wake up early and make your mornings productive. Put your phone away. It's your biggest distraction. Switch it off or give it to someone who won't return it easily. Make a daily planner and track your progress. Strike off tasks you've completed. It's motivating. It's okay to miss some tasks, just keep going. The sacrifices you make now will lead to a brighter future. You've got this. Stay focused and success will follow.
Start today, stay consistent, and achieve greatness. Like, comment, and subscribe for more motivation.